Dry, frizzy hair that still looks dull after styling? This is why Moroccanoil Treatment keeps getting recommended. The result people want is simple: smoother, shinier, softer-looking hair without adding a complicated extra step. And what makes it different from a basic hair oil is the formula. It combines argan oil to help nourish and soften dry-looking hair, linseed extract to support shine and a healthier-looking finish, and smoothing ingredients that help the product spread evenly through the hair, reduce friction, tame flyaways, and improve manageability. So you're not just putting oil on top of the hair for temporary shine. You're getting conditioning, smoothing, softness, frizz control, and styling support in one step. That's why Moroccanoil Treatment can work both before and after styling. Use a small amount through damp hair to help with detangling, smoothness, and control before you style. Or use a tiny amount on dry hair to soften rough ends, calm flyaways, and bring back shine. The biggest reason to choose it is the finish. Hair can look smoother, softer, glossier, and more polished without needing several different products. It makes the most sense if your hair is dry, dull, frizzy, rough, or difficult to manage, and you want that more put-together, healthy-looking finish. One thing to know: if your hair is very fine or gets weighed down easily, start with a very small amount. But if you want that smooth, glossy, expensive-looking finish with one simple step, Moroccanoil Treatment is easy to understand. I'll leave the latest price and availability in the description and pinned comment so you can check it now.